In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off and on comments on your videos on TikTok. So what you want to do is open up TikTok. Once you are here, you want to locate that video you want to turn the comments off. Click on that video and then click on the three dots that are at the bottom right. Click on that and then go to privacy settings, and then you can click here allow comments. Now if this is turned on, the comments are disabled, but if they are like so, no, sorry, it was the other way around. Now they are turned off. If it has the other thing, if it's on the right side, then people are allowed to comment. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.